Hi everyone, how are you? And today I'm getting a new lecture about the dictionary in Python. That's an interesting topic for data science scientists and other professionals. So let's start. Basically, Python dictionaries are very necessary handy for getting data because in another formats you need to remember indexes and all that for values. But in dictionary you having a meaningful name with the use of keys and values. Keys will be the name to access your data and values. So if you consider that if you have a dictionary like student details, so you can print any column if you know the key. Yeah, you know very well that you need a name column or age or marks related to that. So we can access with the print function. And also the total columns we need to find within a second. So we define length of that data set or dictionary in a print command. Another thing of Python dictionaries are practical. Dictionaries are very practical and handy for reusability, and Python dictionaries are very handy for reusability and scalability. And we having a control over values. If you need to count number of words within a statement or a length of string, you having an input out there, so you can easily count with a number of words using dictionaries, and you also know the uh, number of words repeated within a dictionary, and it counts you very well. So Python dictionary having different methods like get, keys, values, items, and update command. So we will also learn about that. So let's start. I have a data set. I will share it with you in a comment section or in a detailed section with a text file. I copy that text with this notepad text file and use this data in our Python Jupyter notebook. You already know how to install, and if you having any problem, I will upload that video also to how to use Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook. So first of all, we sort out header separately from data set. So data zero in a box array, you having a header, and data one column demonstrate rest of the data columns. So first of all, we sorted them separately, and now we define a dictionary dict name, and that is a very empty, and we will fill it with our given data set. So I'm using for loop for any row in data, repeat it twice, how many the number of times the data is, and it will manipulate all the data in a dictionary for you, and you can use any commands of dictionary with that data set. So if at the row of zero, uh, the dictionary having a different multiple rows, so we are using a single row. We write them a key, age, and salary. With using that data set, row one is that column of first column, and row two is the uh, another column of that data set. You know that in data set we having a different columns there. So I'm displaying that DICT dictionary, it having a sorted age and salary of that name of that record of you can say student and the person peoples of the company. So that's the way we. So stay with us with the new Python dictionary and other key features, and let's explore that Python world and find the least ways or manipulated ways for data sorting and data analysis.